Okay, we've just entered a sell trade here. Um, so basically the way this works is, uh, so the market was going up initially, and then we got this signal from our scripts telling us that we have now reached a sell zone. So the market should continue going down from here. And then guess what? So the market started going a little bit down to the downside. We were able to get a few trades here as well as here, right? But then again, since I know that the market is supposed to be going down here, according to this, the market has broken this channel here, which is a signal for an upward trend. But we know that this is a fake out since we are in a sell zone. So this is not going to be an upward direction, but it's going to be a downward direction, right? So this trade should win in the next 30 seconds. I think it's going to have 30 seconds from here. So let's watch it together in the next 30 seconds. And again, so if the market closes below this line here, in fact, let me extend it a bit. So if we close below this line here, we are going to enter another sell position here, right? Okay, the trade won. This was a simple fake out because we are in a sell zone, so we are not supposed to be breaking to the upside here. So that's just what I do. So I look at all my charts like this. I look at all my charts like this, and then whenever I see a signal, I then zoom in on the chart, and then see if I can find a good opportunity there, right? So let's see if I can get another sell signal here. So the way a sell signal would be here, I would want to first see, let me show you what I mean. If you guys can look at this point here, can you see that the red line is crossing the yellow line over to the downside? That's what I want to see, right? Right now it's the green that's crossing. So the green would mean that the market is going to go up from here. So I'm expecting a couple green candles. But also this could be, okay, this is what I was waiting for the market to come back here. So now this is a clear sell signal for me, right? So the market gave me a fake out, and then it's going to close below this line here. So it's closing back in the range. So all I'm waiting for now is the market to move a little bit up, right? Maybe touch back this line, and then I'm going to execute a sell trade here. So we are going to sell again, maybe around this point here. Seems like it's not going to give us a good entry. How far is the next point? This is the next line. Okay, it's too close. I'm not going to take a sell unless I get a pullback. So I'm going to wait for a pullback. I want the price to come back and touch maybe this line. If it doesn't touch it, but at least go towards the upside a little bit. This just confirms our signal from our scripts here. So basically when you get this signal, it means you should start looking for selling opportunities. And then you then use your indicator here to find those selling opportunities here. Okay, it doesn't seem like it's going to give me a pullback, so I'm not going to take a trade here. But let's wait a bit and see, because I want to pull back maybe. Yes, that's what I want. I want a pullback, maybe somewhere close to this line here. Yes, somewhere around this line, I'm going to execute a sell. Okay. Okay, I'll take it for the next 20. Yes, I'm taking it. I took a sell here. I'm seeing this thing here. I only have a minute left on this particular setup. So in that minute, it should continue going down. I should see this red and green line going separate ways. So let's see. We got about 45 seconds left. So let's see. If this trade is correct, then these two lines, the green and the red, should not cross. Yes, they should not cross. They should separate. They could come together but not cross. Then if that's the case, then this is a good signal. Okay, it seems like we've won the trade. Okay, cool. So that's basically how I'm trading this system here. So I get my signal. Let's see, do I have a signal? Okay, I don't have any signal at the moment. But when I get a signal, I'm going to show you the process. Okay, maybe let me pause the video. And then when I get another signal anywhere here, I'll show you how I'm taking the trade just one last time, one more trade. So I'll pause for now. All right, there we go, guys. So we've just received the signal here. And now we are looking for a sell signal. So the sell signal is very simple. So firstly, I want to see the ADX below this point here, below both my red and green lines here. And then I want to see the ADX green line go up towards this line here. But the ADX red line, which is the sell line, it should cross below the yellow line here. As soon as I see that, the candles will be somewhere above here, like somewhere going up, and then from there I should get a signal to sell. So right now it's going to range a bit because it was going up, and then now it should move a bit sideways, and then we will get to the signal that I'm talking about, and we will then execute a sell trade from there. So let's just wait for this. Okay, as you can see now, the ADX is below both my green and red, and then the green is going up. The red is coming towards this line here. So as soon as these two cross, I'm going to execute a sell trade. Okay, they did not cross the. Looks like. Okay, now let's wait. We'd rather miss the trade. But as soon as okay, let's do this because this is where they were supposed to cross, and I was supposed to end. In fact, I'll just end. I'll risk this a bit because I did not get the exact cross that I was looking for. But we'll see. They were supposed to cross right at this point here. So even if they don't, I gave it like 2 minutes. So it should go up from here, and then it will give me this cross that I'm looking for here. But let's see. Okay, let's see. Look at this. This was exactly where I was supposed to enter, provided I got to the crossover here. So the red was supposed to cross here. It looked like they were crossing. They were about to cross, but then they did not really cross. So this is not like the ideal entry, right? I could get a couple candles to the upside before I get this crossover that I'm talking about. So we'll see here what's going to happen. Okay, now we're starting to see the market is creating a downward channel, right? So it has this here, but this is too low. So let's wait for it maybe to give us, because this at the moment is the channel, right? This is the channel, right? At the moment, this is the channel. Uh, but it's okay. There we go. Right. So if we cross below, okay, now we just have crossed below. We've just crossed below. But again, this is not a sell a signal. So let's see what it does. If we get another a full candle below here that closes like this one here, if this, okay, now it is. So I'm going to take another trade here. Okay, I'll take another trade here. USDCHF. Let's do USDCHF again. Yes, I'll do another trade here for another 2 minutes. Okay, this one won, right? So this one